This is a scenery file for Microsoft Flight Simulator. It contains buildings and terrain. You don't open it, you place it in the Add-in Scenery folder for the game to load it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the folder. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor BGL errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A BGL file is a scenery file used by Microsoft Flight Simulator and other compatible flight simulation programs. These files contain geographical data, object placements, and other visual elements that define the virtual environment. BGL files are essential for creating realistic and immersive flight simulation experiences, allowing users to explore detailed landscapes and cityscapes. BGL files are typically compiled from source data using specialized tools provided by the flight simulator developers. The file format includes information about terrain elevation, textures, buildings, airports, and other scenery objects. The simulator engine reads and renders these files to create the visual representation of the world. Optimization of BGL files is crucial for maintaining smooth performance in the simulation. There's a direct software link between BGL and Microsoft Flight Simulator by Microsoft. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows cannot visualize topology or geodata, so GIS software must handle these files. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your BGL file and select Open With. If Microsoft Flight Simulator is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If the BGL file is still giving you trouble, relax. A format as specific as BGL will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, use Flight Simulator. Open the file using Microsoft Flight Simulator, the required application for the scenery file. Next, check installation path. Ensure the .bgl file is placed in the correct scenery folder for the game. Finally, check version. Ensure the scenery file is compatible with the version of Flight Simulator you are running. If your system cannot parse your BGL structure, the issue is likely that the extension name is shared by a program you don't have. At this stage, manual testing is exhausted. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the BGL format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. We got to the solution quickly. If speed is what you value, please subscribe for more efficient guides. Hope that solution accelerated your workflow.